The first human in space, historic space exploration. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a monumental moment in the history of space exploration, Yuri Gagarin's groundbreaking journey as the first human to travel into outer space. Join us as we uncover the incredible story behind this historic event and explore the impact it had on shaping the future of space travel. Setting the stage in the mindset of Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union, the quest for space supremacy was in full swing. It was a time of intense competition, innovation, and daring ambitions. Momentous launch on April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin embarked on a journey that would forever change the course of human history. Aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft, he blasted off into the skies, becoming the first to venture beyond our planet, orbiting the Earth. During his 108 minutes, Gagarin orbited the Earth, experiencing weightlessness and providing invaluable data to scientists. He circled the planet at an altitude of approximately 200 miles, gazing down at the breathtaking curvature of our homeworld. Impact on space exploration. Gagarin's successful mission ignited a global fascination with space travel. It showcased the incredible capabilities of human innovation and opened the door to further exploration of the cosmos. Gagarin's legacy. Yuri Gagarin's name becomes synonymous with courage and exploration. His achievements inspired generations of astronauts, cosmonauts, and space to push the boundaries of human exploration. Commemorating the achievement to honor his legacy, Yuri Gagarin's feat is celebrated annually as Yuri's Night, a worldwide space party that brings together people from all corners of the globe to celebrate the wonders of space. Conclusion and future advantages. As we reflect Yuri Gagarin's historic journey, we look ahead to the exciting future of space exploration. From moon landings to Mars missions, humanity's quest to explore the cosmos continues to evolve, driven by the spirit of pioneers like Yuri Gagarin. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the past. If you enjoyed learning about Yuri Gagarin's remarkable achievement, don't forget like and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep looking up to the stars and dreaming big.